Everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Dex Pad from Samsung. Is the one that came with Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. It's somewhat an updated version from the iteration from the last year with a new form, and it also lacks the Ethernet port. As you can see, this is a pretty standard box, nothing special here. I'll get down a little bit with my desk. As you can see, it's made in Vietnam. Here are the 4 seals, which I will be cutting down. So the quality of the materials of the box is pretty neat. Also, I would like to see the reduced price on these things, not the premium feel of the box, but the quality of the product. As you can see, here you can it pops up the pad itself. Here is the somewhat mobile, a little bit. I think this will fit perfectly with my Note 8. I cannot film it right now how it fits because I'm filming with my Note 8. Here on top you can see 2 USB 2.0, the HDMI slot, and the USB Type-C. Let's peel this off. I'll put this aside. Here in the box we have the paperwork and guide. As you can lift, you can see the power brick, the USB Type-C cable. Oh no, this is the HDMI. This also has the Ethernet, in case you have the Ethernet over the HDMI. And the USB Type-C cable. Is the standard Note 8 cable which came with my Note. This is the HDMI cable and the power brick. I usually remove all the plastic from the power bricks because if you let them on, they actually overheat the components and they get pretty hot, and the lifespan is degrading of the power brick. After I will use it for a little while, I will upload a video with a little guide with it. So thank you for watching, and see you with the review of this Dex Pad.